I hope you all are fine, my dear students. Today's video is related to comprehension focus. Whenever we are going to solve the comprehension focus, we should improve our reading skills. We should observe carefully. Today's comprehension focus is related to unit number 5, unit trees. It's a poem that we have earlier read. This poem was written by Harry Benn. Harry Benn. In this poem, the poet describes and tells about the beauty, the simplicity, and the benefits of the trees. The poet also loves and likes trees. Therefore, he tells us that trees are our best friend. They give us so many good things, and they do not harm us. They do not give us pain. They are just important and they are useful for us. So first we will revise the reading. So let's start reading before answering the question answers. Trees are the kindest thing I know. Trees are the kindest things I know. They do not harm, they simply grow. They do not harm, they simply grow. And spread a shade for sleepy cows, and spread a shade for sleepy cows, and gather birds among the boughs, and gather bird among the boughs. This is the first stanza where the poet is telling us about the benefits of the trees, and the poet is telling that trees do not harm us, they only gives us lots of benefits. Now we will study the second stanza of the poem, which is, they are the first when days begun. They are the first when days begun to touch the beams of morning sun. To touch the beams of morning sun. They are the last to hold the light. They are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night. When evening changes into night. In this stanza, the poet is telling us that trees are standing on the same place. They do not change their place. Therefore, they are the first one who watches the sunlight, the sunrise, and they are the one who watches the sunset, the night, the darkness. Because they do not change their place, therefore they are watching all the movements of the day. Now we will look at the third stanza. And when a moon floats on the sky, and when a moon floats on the sky, they hum a drowsy lullaby. They hum a drowsy lullaby. Of sleepy children long ago, of sleepy children long ago, trees are the kindest things I know. Trees are the kindest things I know. In this stanza, the poet is telling that because trees are standing on the same place throughout the day, so therefore they are the last who watches the night, and at night time they sing a song for babies to sleep. So trees are the kindest things we know. They give us lots of benefits. They do not harm us. Now, my dear students, we will look at the comprehension focus, which means the question answers. Our first question is, what are the benefits of growing trees? What are the benefits of growing trees? In the poem, all the words and the meanings are hidden, but if you will observe carefully, the answer is quite inside the poem. Therefore, my dear students, in order to give the answer of this question, we will look at that why trees are important and what benefits they provide us. First of all, I would like to tell you that trees have lots of benefits. Our earth is covered by trees. There are different kinds of trees, and they give us a lot of benefits and a lot of things which we use every day. So trees are very beneficial for us. Trees are very useful. They are our best friends. Dear students, because trees are our best friends, therefore the poet Harry Benn also praises the trees in this poem. He also tells us that about the benefits of the trees. He tells us that the birds, cows, humans, they all get benefits from the trees because trees are so kind. They are so good. They do not harm. Therefore, the poet Harry Benn also praises trees in the poem. So, first benefit of the tree is fruits. Trees provide us different kinds of fruits. Trees provides us different kinds of fruits like apples, oranges, mango, guava, and I'm sure we all like to eat fruits. So trees give us fruits. My dear students, the next benefit of trees is very important. They give us fresh air, which means they give us oxygen. Trees give us fresh air, which means they give us oxygen. The leaves of the tree, they produce oxygen for us, which is very important for us to be alive on this earth. Therefore, it is important to protect the trees because all humans and animals live on oxygen. The next benefit of tree is shade. They give us shade. Shade is a cool, dark area under the tree. When the sunlight is so sharp and it is so hot, animals, humans, and birds, they all can sit under the shade of the tree and they can relax over there. Because trees are so big and they have lots of branches, so they provide us shade. Shade. The next benefit of tree is that they give us a play area. Play area means that we all like to play under the trees, with the trees and under the trees, because trees are our best friend. We all love the shade and the cool area under the tree. We like their color and we like the place where there are trees. So they provide us a play area. Now the next thing which trees provide is it is the house to the birds. Lots of birds, they make nests on the branches of the trees. Trees also provide us wood. Humans cut the wood and they make a lot of things from the wood like paper, pencil and so many other things. And trees also provide us medicines which are important to cure from the illness. Therefore, my dear students, what we will write for the answer of question number 1, our question was, what are the benefits of growing trees? So in the answer we can write down, trees have lots of benefits. They give us fruits, shade, wood, medicines and oxygen. And all these benefits are also mentioned in the poem. So we will write down, trees have lots of benefits. They give us fruits, shade, wood, medicine and oxygen. Now let's look at the second question. How do you protect the trees around you? How do you protect the trees around you? Dear students, trees are so important. Therefore, it is very important to protect them, to save them. Because trees give us benefits, so in return, we should also take care of them. How can we do that? It's very easy to understand and to know that how can we protect them. In answer to this question, we can write down, we should water trees. We should water trees and we shouldn't cut them. And we shouldn't cut them. Like this, we can protect them. Like this, we can protect them. We should avoid cutting the trees and we should try to grow more trees. My dear students, this is the answer of the 2 questions which were mentioned in the exercise. I hope you have understood today's topic, which was the importance of trees. Therefore, the poet Harry Benn wrote this poem because he was so inspired by the benefits of the trees, which means that he loved trees. Therefore, he wrote this poem. So I hope you have understood. Thank you so much.